Good morning, guys. So I am sporting like 4-day hair right now, so my hair is pretty gross, but I'm not quite sure what I have planned to do today. I know I have volunteering from 4:30 until 9:30, but my exam ends at 12. So a little bit of time in between then. I'm hoping Danny can come over and help me cook my first HelloFresh meal. I'm so excited. She's had it for a while and she really likes it. So I found it on Groupon at like an insane price. And so I decided to get it, and then we'll see how I like it, because she's been out of town, so I don't know if she's gonna be back. She literally just texted me. Okay, so the plan is on. We will be doing HelloFresh today, and yeah, I'm gonna drive over to my exam now, and I will see you guys after. I am home now, and I survived my first organic chemistry exam. Danny's about to come over, and we're gonna cook my first HelloFresh meal together. Luna wants to say hello. She loves staying in my bathtub, and she gets water everywhere. But outfit of the day, I guess. It's gotten a little bit cooler by like 2 degrees, so I decided to put on a sweater, and I'm actually not sweating surprisingly, and then just black shorts. I think they're both from Hollister, but I got this at Plato's for like 10 bucks. Danny's here now, and we're gonna cook, and I'm literally heating up empanadas to eat while we cook because I'm starving. Burgers or lemony cheese tortellini? You want the tortellini? I had a feeling you would want the tortellini. Okay. Set oven to 500 degrees. This is gonna be so interesting because I'm probably the worst cook in the entire world. Like, your head is cut off, you're too tall.
Yeah.
You're like a freaking giant.
Can we not put the peas in it? We should dump all the peas in Bree's bed.
Each thing comes like individually packed. No, I'm the person who sets the microwave oven on fire heating up pepperoni. Like, I was not allowed to make pepperoni at my ex-boyfriend's house because I set the oven on fire like 4 times.
I came home one day from class, no one was here, and there's 2 black waffles in the toaster oven. She literally left the house with her waffles in the oven.
I forgot about that because I forgot what I went to do, but I was like, oh, they'll be ready by the time I get back.
It's not like the toaster would stop, like it was on the stay on.
Oh my God. So I got a Groupon for this for $22 for the week, and so I was like, okay, I'll try it out because Danny really likes it. I'm probably not going to be doing much cooking because it's kind of Danny's forte.
What? That's you have to do all the work? No.
Where do we keep our pots? Thanks. Babby's like the mom in our household. You know, I learned that you can't put aluminum foil in the microwave.
No, or metal.
Which is basically basic, like, science. I don't know why I didn't think about that. Like, get away from the water. Look at this.
Do you have olive oil?
Yeah. Luna, what are you doing?
It didn't cut as good as mine did.
I'm so sorry my zucchini's not as tender as yours was. That's actually a really small zucchini, I feel like.
Make this a montage.
I don't know what that was for.
Alright.
No! Did you add this? It's sour cream, bacon fat, and then a lemon?
Yeah.
Is that okay?
Or no,
and,
not lemon. I don't put lemon in here yet.
Now we're gonna put zucchini in.
It's a mess. Oh no.
Yay, so this is it. Danny says it's really good, but I haven't tried it yet, but we're gonna eat, and then I'm probably gonna get my oil changed, and she has to study for her exam. So yay. I'm home now from volunteering. I look so gross. If I look like a grease ball, I just did my I just did my skincare, so I put oil on, and Luna is pulling my hair from this stupid chair. I think we're gonna go over to Danny's for dinner, but we're both so tired, so I'm going to end the vlog here. So we will see you guys then. Bye. Say bye, Fabby.
Bye. I have so much homework.